I'm Belinda Rathmel, the Flamenco coach, and welcome to my channel. I'm here to share with you my tips and tricks that I use to work on and improve my flamenco dancing. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you an exercise that I use to help improve my balance, and at the same time it works on strengthening your heel beats. If you're ready to take action and improve your flamenco dancing with me, then keep watching. Welcome to the first exercise. So what we're going to do is start with a toe, just plantar onto the floor, and we follow it with 5 heel beats. Okay, so that's the exercise without the balancing part. To the side, we've got toe, 5 heels. Okay, and then we want to do the same on the left. Okay, so that's the basic of the exercise, and what you want to do is be balancing while you do the exercise. So let's try that. Okay, so let's try the exercise. We'll do a set of 4 in 6 beats. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now that we've got the exercise, let's put it to some solo compás so we can work along to a rhythm. Of what you can do with this exercise. You can definitely make some variations on it. You can speed up the solo compás, you can do different rhythms with your heel beats, and before you know it, your balance will be improving and your heel beats are going to sound fantastic. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit that like button, click subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.